Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of a Raquel Welch wig called Love, 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 and the color is R12/26H, also known as Honey Pecan. Now I wanted to start with this one off my head, so I'm going to show you the cap first, mainly because she looks really wiggy right out of the box. She definitely needs to be combed a little bit before she's wearable. So I'm going to go ahead and talk about the cap, and then show you me combing her on camera, and then I'm going to go ahead and put her on for you. So let's talk some specs. Love, Love, Love has a temple to temple lace front. It is a contoured lace front. Also has a monofilament side part. There is permatease in this wig around that side part, but not a ton of it. We also have open wefts on the side and the back. This has memory 3 cap technology. For more information about who that kind of cap is really appropriate for, check out my review of stock traffic. But you can see here that it basically is just silicone that's been put on top of the elastic. It's really grippy if you don't have hair back there, but if you do have hair, it's not really going to do much for you. But you're in luck if you do have hair, because there's felt all over the perimeter of this cap, and that felt does add to the grip. So you have an extended felt nape back here with Velcro adjusters, and you also have felt here on the ear tabs with a little piece of metal to keep it nice and flush up against the sides of your head. So yeah, let me show you what this one looks like when you invert the cap. And I've got my trusty John Renault wide tooth comb. Now, as I've mentioned in previous videos, when you're parting a monofilament side part wig, you always want to part it right in the center of that monofilament insert. You can use your fingers sort of as a guide on the underside, because you don't want to see the cap construction by accident, because there's a big seam on either side of that monofilament part. So you can see beautiful layering, but the curls are just a little bit too uniform. So I'm going to start back here at the nape, and I'm going to gently use this wide tooth comb. I don't recommend using anything finer than this, and never use a brush on synthetic hair, any kind of brush. So just this comb will do the trick. All right. And see how much prettier that looks now? It looks a little bit more natural. The curls aren't quite so wiggy looking. And that's really going to help bring out the layering. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on now so you can see what it looks like. Now the fiber on this sample feels a little bit on the, as I like to say, dry side. So I would definitely take a little bit of Simply Stylin' silicone serum or MV Renew and Repair. Both are great products. I would probably put some of that on the ends here to prevent it from tangling quite so much. This is a great color, by the way. It's a really nice sort of light brown color. So you can kind of see here, and it has little streaks of sort of a warm blonde. So it's not a super warm color. It's got a, it's got a little bit of ash in there, because you can see this brown, even though it's technically kind of like a mixed brown, it definitely has kind of an ash undertone to it. And then you get those really lovely warm blonde highlights, especially towards the front, which really help lighten the front up. This is so pretty on. Like, this is the first time I've put this on, and it looks just like the product pictures, I think. I'm gonna fix this front part a little bit. There we go. It just wasn't gonna stay in place, but that's all right. It still looks cute this way. Let me go ahead and do a 360 so you can see what Love, Love, Love looks like on all sides. Oh, I love playing with the hair, especially when it's new. It always feels nice when it's new. So what do you guys think? I think this one's a keeper. I think this one's really pretty. And as I mentioned in the Stop Traffic video, buy wigs because you think they're cute when it comes to this memory 3 cap construction, especially if you have bio hair, because that silicone in the cap is not really gonna do much for you if you have bio hair. But the style is so pretty, who cares? I think this one fits a little bit snug on me, and that's basically just because I have an average large cap size. But the great thing is that, you know, it's memory cap technology, so it will sort of stretch out as you wear. It usually takes about 30 to 45 minutes, and then it'll fit a little bit more loosely if you need it to. But I don't think this is uncomfortable. I just think it's a little snug on me. The front on Love 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 is 11 inches, so it hits right around here. The crown down is longer than that, it's 14 inches. The sides are 12, and you know, well, the back is 11 to 14 inches. It's really layered back there. This is a 5-ounce wig, but yeah, super cute. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com, that's CysterWigs.com, bringing you the review of the Love 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 by Raquel Welch in the color R1226H, also known as Honey Pecan. Thank you so much for watching this wig review. If you haven't subscribed already, please be sure to do so you don't miss a single one. I review a lot of stuff, and so you're gonna see tons of videos if you subscribe to this channel. So if you're a wig addict like I am, you're gonna have a great time hanging out on our channel. So thank you so much for watching, and have a great night.